Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test makeup products, and in today's video I'm going to test something new for my eyebrows. And I have this new Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel, and I'm going to do this easy everyday makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products, and I'll also give you some updates for some of these makeup products. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. In today's video I'm going to test something for my eyebrows. So I don't have anything on my eyebrows right now. This is how my natural eyebrows looks like. And I have this new Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. This is how the packaging looks like. So this new brow freeze gel, it's an easy to use, extreme hold, clear brow gel that shapes, sculpts and locks brows in place all day. It features a dual-sided comb applicator that gives you control for easy and precise application. Achieve lifted laminated look brows with hair-loving frozen technology. Has a triple action comb applicator, the flat side for lock and hold, long bristles for comb and separate, and the short bristles to shape and sculpt. So this is how the comb applicator looks like. We get 7 milliliters, 0.24 fluid ounces, was made in USA and has 6 months shelf life. I'm excited to use this brow gel, but I have to be honest, I don't have high hopes for this because my brow hairs are very thick and I also don't have an amazing shape for my eyebrows. For my everyday makeup, I just fill in any gaps and I try to make them look more presentable, but I don't have many options for my eyebrows. However, I would like to try new things for my eyebrows this year, and maybe I'll find a way this year to make my eyebrows look amazing. So I'm very curious to see if this eyebrow gel will do something for someone like me with very thick brows and with not a lot of brow hairs. So I'm going to apply it on one side before my brow pencil, and on the other side I'm going to use it on top of the eyebrow pencil because I want to see what is the best way to use this eyebrow gel. So they recommend to use the long bristles first to brush the eyebrows. And now I'm going to use the short bristle side to shape and sculpt the brows. So this is with and this is without the brow gel on. Now I'm going to do this side. I'm going to apply my favorite eyebrow pencil first. This is the Brow Harmony Precision Pencil in the color Cool Brown. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil at the moment. I like the color, it's very easy to use, has a really nice long lasting formula, and we have a lot of product in here, so this will last you a very long time. And now I'm going to apply the brow gel on this side. Let's see if this will do something. So this is the finished result. I'm very curious to see if we can apply an eyebrow pencil on top of this eyebrow gel. So I'm going to use again this eyebrow pencil by Rare Beauty on top of this brow gel. I'll try to fill in any gaps. Okay, I try to brush the brow hairs from this side and it doesn't move. So this is very strong. Looks like the brow hairs will stay in place all day. So this is the finished result. I feel like this gave me some kind of volume there, but nothing too crazy. I like this side more. I feel like this side looks more natural, but I would love to know your guys' opinion. So for a first impression, I feel like you get the best result if you apply this eyebrow gel first, because you apply less eyebrow pencil. I'm going to let this brow freeze for now, and I want to give you my final impressions at the end of the video. And next I want to do a very simple everyday makeup look using some of my favorite makeup products. And for my concealer today, I'm going to use this one from Natasha Denona. This is the Hy-Glam Concealer. I'll also use this as my eyeshadow base. This concealer has nice coverage, but looks very natural, and it's also very long lasting. So I really like this concealer and I highly recommend you to try it. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation, and for today, I want to use again this Chanel Ultra Le Tint. I've used this foundation for the first time in my last video, and I did a wear test, and I want to use it again today, and I also want to give you some updates. I like this foundation if I apply a very thin layer all over the skin. In this way I get a more natural finish, and this lasts better on my skin, and I use just one pump for my entire face. Next, I'm going to set everything in place. I have oily skin, so I need to apply powder if I want my makeup to last more. And for my setting powder today, I want to use this Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I don't like the color of this powder, but the formula is very nice. And I have this powder in the travel size version, and it's a lot of powder in here. So if you want to try it, I recommend you to get this in the travel size. First, I'm going to get rid of the creases. I want to quickly mention that my Givenchy setting powder is more finely milled and blurs the pores better, but this powder is very good at setting everything in place very well, and your makeup will last longer with this setting powder. Next, I'm going to use this palette from Florasis. And I want to use everything from here, the bronzer, the highlighter, this as my blushes, and I also want to do something on my eyes. This palette is very good to travel with. You have everything you need in here to do something for your skin and also for the eyes. And this is also perfect if you are in a hurry. I like to use this when I don't have so much time to do my makeup. So next I'm going to show you what I like to do with this palette for my everyday makeup. First I'm going to start with the bronzer, this one from here. And when I'm a little bit heavy-handed, I use my powder puff or my beauty blender to blend any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to use this highlighter. And I'm going to use again this bronzer on my eyes. I'll pick the brush and I'll apply some on my under eyes. And I haven't used this color on my eyes yet, so I want to try today. This looks very pretty. I don't know if this is perfect for everyday makeup, but I wanted to apply this on camera if you are curious about the color. But for my everyday makeup, I use a very pretty shimmer shade all over the eyelids, something very subtle. Most of the times I use my highlighter or something more lighter, but I wanted to show you this color. And I'll finish with this highlighter on my inner corners. I'm going to apply my mascara and something on my lips and I'll be right back. Mascara is on and for today I've used this YSL Lash Clash Mascara. This mascara is very good, doesn't transfer on the under eyes throughout the day. The lashes look the same all day when I have this on, so this is one of my favorite mascaras. And on my lips I have just this Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in the color Pillow Talk. I don't have much left, as you can see. This is perfect for everyday makeup, has a really nice long lasting formula. So if you are looking for a lip liner that is very long lasting, I highly recommend you this from Charlotte Tilbury. I always save time to do a little wing on my eyes, and the fastest way to do this is to use an angled brush, a stiff angled brush with a darker color from an eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade. In this way I see better where I want to apply the liner. So if you struggle to do your eyeliner, I recommend you to do this after your mascara. And this is the finished makeup look. Now, five impressions for this new Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. I would say that this feels more amazing than the Benefit 24-hour brow gel. I feel like this one holds the brows in place better. This is very strong. I feel like I need to apply this before my eyebrow pencil to have a more natural finish like I have on this side. But I'll have to test this more. And I also want to see if my brows will stay in place all day with this. I'll also use this more until my next video and I'll update you about everything then. I would love to know from you guys if you like the finished makeup look, and please let me know what other makeup products would you like me to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!